Yummy. There's my dinner. Delicious.
This is about a 9-pound, little under 9-pound pork shoulder butt. This is bone in. Well, since I'm cooking this in a crock pot, not on a pit, I'm going to cut it up into pieces. That way it fits better in the crock pot. If I was going to cook it on a barbecue pit, I'd leave it whole. I got my crock pot right here behind the camera, so I'm just putting them inside of it as I cut it. And even though I'm cutting it up, I'm still going to leave a bone in it as long as it fits inside the crock pot. That's just more flavor. See if that'll fit down in there. Not really so great. Nope. I'm gonna have to debone it to do it. All right, so now we're deboning it. Big piece of fat. That's good. This is just hickory rub. I'm just gonna sprinkle hickory rub on it. Of course, move it around so it gets, all over it. Now I'm gonna add more pieces to it. Like I said, there's a big pork butt. Put that high. And again, this is going to cook for several hours. That's pretty much it. It's on high heat, at least for now. I'll probably turn it down to low here in a little bit. It's covered. That's all there is to it for now. That cooked all night. I turned it off so it can cool off. Now I'm going to take it over here and I'm going to strain all the fat that I can get off of it. Colander in a pot. Alright. Gonna wipe off all the fat that stayed in there. Bag, Now I got 2 forks. Let's see how easy it pulls apart. Yep, nice and easy. Perfect. So I'm going to shred it all up. Be careful, don't shred the bag. Pretty bland, but I figured it would be. We got to fix that. I'm going to add the rest of this hickory rub that I have, which isn't a whole lot. You got that sweet rub out, so I'm going to use it. I just got out of the hickory rub. I'll put a little slack of bone in there. Like I said, it's pretty bland. You can use some salt. Can of chipotle salsa. It could be any kind of salsa, as long as I prefer chipotle. Okay. Now 1 can of crushed pineapples, juice and all. I'm going to stir it all up. You'll get barbecue sauce later on. I guess you could put it in there now. No, I can do that. Sweet baby Ray's, sweet and spicy. I know there's not exact a measurement, just do you think it's good enough? You can always add more to it, so that's all in there. Put it back on high. Let's get it hot.
Well, I apologize. I didn't get a whole video of making our sandwiches. Basically, toasted some buns. There's our pulled pork. There's barbecue sauce. Diced onion, slivered onions, some pickles, barbecue sauce, and we put cheese on there. Yummy. There's my dinner. Delicious.